Welcome to our journey into the past. Today, we explore Monte dei Catti, one of the most mysterious monuments in Sardinia, Italy. Monte dei Catti was first built around 4000 BC by the Ozieri culture. At first glance, it looks like a giant stone platform with a long ramp leading up to it. Unlike other ancient structures, it has no rooms inside. This suggests it was not a tomb, but a sacred altar or temple. Later, around 3500 BC, the site was rebuilt into a larger step pyramid, rising about 10 meters high. Its design is strikingly similar to Mesopotamian ziggurats, hinting at possible cultural connections across the ancient world. Archaeologists discovered evidence of animal sacrifices here, including remains of sheep, cattle, and pigs. This makes Monte dei Catti one of the earliest known sacrificial sites in Western Europe. Over time, different cultures left their mark. Bell beaker pottery was found at the site, showing that it continued to be used for rituals. But by 1800 BC, during the Nuragic Age, the monument was abandoned. Nearby, researchers also found sacred stones, dolmens, and carved boulders, adding to the mystery of this place. Today, Monte dei Catti has been partly reconstructed and welcomes visitors from around the world. It stands as a unique reminder of Sardinia's prehistoric past, often described as the most unusual cultic monument in the Western Mediterranean. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the past.